What up everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am over here at my buddy Joe's house. He is doing a bag install on this Q50. He's putting the Airlift 3P setup in here. And today, well, Joe's doing the install. I'm gonna put in this Airlift mount controller in my change holder. So basically it's gonna sit right there where the change holder is. So I'm gonna tear apart my center console and install it. Alright, we got the USB ports wired up, and now I have to take off change holder and put the mount in. Alright, I flipped the controller, the software update to flip the screen so that it reads properly. So let's start it up and see what it looks like. Not bad. Alright, that is the install on my Airlift mount controller. Looks pretty nice. That is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Till next video, peace.